Hey everyone, this is Buddy back with another video, and I recently incurred this common problem that I guess many of you are incurring if you guys clicked on this video, because this is a how-to for how to get that stupid screen time passcode thing off of your device, especially if you forgot that password. So right now, if you go onto Apple Twitter support or you ask Apple in person and tell them, hey, I'm having this issue, how do I fix this? Pretty much everywhere you will see it says set device app as new. So restore that thing and set it up as a brand new iPhone. And so here's how I figured out how to not set it up as new, except I'm really hoping that this works for all you guys because it worked for me once. No idea if this works consistently, but hopefully it works for you guys. First, you're gonna wanna go onto your phone, plug it into iTunes to get that backup. Now, if you don't have iTunes, and you have like one of those newer Macs or something that pretty much iTunes is wiped off of, just plug it in and click on your phone on the little sidebar of your Finder, or for Windows or whatever, plug it in and open it up in iTunes. So then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to create an encrypted backup. So after it's finished syncing and all that stuff, click on encrypted backup, create a password that you will remember this time, and then click backup. Wait till that's fully done, don't unplug it, don't touch it. Then take your phone and turn off that Find My. So that Find My iPhone button, you wanna turn it off so that way you can restore the phone. Otherwise, you can't do it. And so through traditional means, I'm pretty sure they block you from doing that with the screen time on. But pretty much just get to that setting to turn it off. How I figured out, I think, to do it was to click on settings, click on your name at the top, and then scroll down to the bottom and click on that device that you're using right there. So that's probably some iPhone. Tap on that, and then it should bring up a Find My on, tap on that, and then switch it off. I think that's the best way to do it, and I think that's the only way you can do it if it's grayed out normally above that in the iCloud settings or something. So, and if you can't figure that out, just go start hunting through the settings. So after you got that off and it's still connected to the iTunes, restore that. So click on the restore button in the iTunes account. You can get that thing restored, let it stay there plugged in, restore the whole thing to new, and when you see that thing pop up as hello and get that welcome screen, go back onto iTunes and hit back, and so it'll give you the option of, oh, do you want to restore this from a backup? And you do. You want to click that restore from a backup in that most recent backup. And then after you got that done, and you let it plugged in, you let it update, whatever, when you get that hello screen and you're running through those options, don't set a passcode for anything, don't set anything for anything, just click on other, no passcode, no touch ID, no face ID, no, nothing. Don't set up anything for that. And then get into the phone. And then after that, go into the settings, go into the screen time, and then click on turn off screen time. And it should let you turn off screen time like that. Magic. If it didn't, but leave it in the comments below if it didn't work for you, or if you found another way, or whatever problems you're having, because maybe I can help you with that, maybe I can't. But see if that way works for you guys, because it worked for me, and that was the easiest way to not have to set up the iPhone as new. But if you guys found this helpful, or you enjoyed it, or it did work, or whatever, make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed, and that big red subscribe button if it hasn't been grayed out. Make sure you click on that and hit the bell icon next to it so you stay updated with all of our future videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.